So I wanted to create a quick video that described how to go through the process of registering and then activating a product. So for example, you've asked for a free trial and you got this email from our system basically telling you what to do to get your account set up and then activate the product. So I'm going to run through that real quick. So first thing I'm going to do is register. Up here in the right corner, I need to create an account. Obviously, if you've already done this, you don't need to do it. So I'm going to type in my username, and it's my company here. It's important that your username match what you asked for, and make sure you don't misspell things like I just did there. Because the system, when it goes to activate your account, will actually check to make sure you're using the right email ending, so basically the @ sign and everything after it. So let me just go ahead and do that. Now I'm going to click register, and it's going to tell me that an email has been sent to my account. So it's important at this point, we need to verify the accounts to make sure that you are who you say you are, that you're not sending it just to some random email address. So I'm going to switch over real quick to my email. I'm going to refresh that, and there it is, the email asking me to verify my account. So here it is, asking me to activate my account, and all you basically do is click the button, and it will go back and say that your account has been confirmed. So let's go ahead and log back in. I'm going to type my email address in. And if you noticed before, when I was in my email, I had another message. We'll get to that one in a second. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. All right, now let me go back to my email. This was the message that I got about my free trial. So basically, it gave me an activation code and some information. So my free trial is for the professional version of the dashboard. It's not really for 1 year. It's actually for a week, because that's the default for our trials. It's for 1 user. We can give trials for more than 1 user. And this is what I was talking about. It requires this email extension. So the only person or people who can use this are required to have an email address that has this extension at the end. So basically, we do all trials and purchases on a company-by-company basis. Now, if your company uses more than one extension, just contact us. We can fix that. So anyway, let me go ahead and cut and paste this. The thing that I'm doing is basically the instructions that are down below this. So you could read those if you want or print it out. So I'm going to basically copy that. I'm going to go back to the web page. I'm going to click up here on products. I'm going to click on the icon for the professional. That's the one I'm going to do the free trial for. Since I'm logged in, there's this little button up here that says purchase or activate the product. This is also the place you would go to if you decide to purchase. I'm going to paste in that code that I copied. If it's a trial, it will always start with the letters T and R. That way we know the activation codes for the trial. So then I'm going to click the activate button. And the way that I knew it was successful is it went immediately to the My Tools page. The My Tools page is the place where you go to launch any of the tools that you've been authorized to access. And that will bring everything up for you. So you can see that it has the expiration date of a week. That's what the free trial is for. And then to launch it, you just click the launch button. Now, the next time you come in, when you've logged in, don't forget that this is under the My Tools. I think what a lot of people are doing is they're confusing the trial with the demo. The demo is actually on this page for the dashboard, where we went and clicked to enter the code. There's the demo page. If you've been given a trial, you don't want to look at the demo. The demo it's the same thing, but it's older data. So you want to go and make sure that you're looking at the actual product. You get full use of the product for as long as we give it to you. And if you click launch, this is something that happens a lot. I think it throws people off. Basically, what has happened here is because it gave me new authorization, it needs to re-verify my profile, so I'm going to have to log in again. This is not uncommon. you can expect to see this. Just finish typing this in. And then I'll log in, and it will immediately go to the page. So all it's really doing is asking you to revalidate your, that you are who you say you are, again, because you were given a new role through that process between the last time you logged in and the current time. So that is something common. You can expect to see that. So that's all it takes, really, to register your account and to use the information in the email that we send you to set up either your free trial, or after you purchase, it's the same process. It's just a different code that you'll be getting, and it won't have the TR in the front. So it's as simple as that, and then you're up and running. You can use either one of the dashboards that, whichever one you've asked for or purchased, and you'll be able to take advantage of all the great features. If you have any problems with this, just contact us at support@datafusionsolutions.com.